Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I did an overhaul on the TV room. I did again some DIY projects. I posted some other videos for you guys on our new Florida house, and we did a huge overhaul on the whole house. So there are DIY projects, I am repurposing some stuff, some things are new. I changed my mind on a few things and I won't hesitate to redo things. So I will show you where we started. This is going to be what we call our Zen Room. We just went and bought this beautiful palm tree. I love how you can still leave the windows open and nobody can see in. It's like just enough to block anyone from seeing in. And it is right adjacent to the kitchen, and there's going to be bar stools right here. Using chalk paint is so simple. All you have to do is make sure the piece of furniture is clean and dry, and then you just start rolling or brushing it on. It's super simple. I ended up using a top coat, a water-based polyurethane that was clear over top, and it came out amazing. The TV that we got is a Vizio V-Series 70-inch. We got this from Walmart, and I will link it down below in the description box for you guys. This is the first orange color that I ended up painting. It's beautiful. I actually did a whitewash over it, but we ended up going with something much more neutral. This is what it looked like with the whitewash on it, and all I did is take a tiny bit of the chalk paint and mixed it with water, and then I just painted it on and wiped it off with a cloth, and this is what it ended up turning out to look like. This is the color that I ended up starting with. This is called Carousel Red, and you can see it's a really pretty orange color. I absolutely love it. It just really did not end up working out with the whole decor of the room. So I ended up completely changing it to this one, which is the Farmhouse White. It's a really beautiful cream color. You do not have to prep at all. Just make sure whatever you're painting is clean. And this triple thick polyurethane water-based clear matte is what I used on the top. This does not yellow at all, and what you're seeing in the finished product does look yellow because I used a different polyurethane and it did not work out at all. So this is the one that I recommend. You can see like some spilled over here onto the container, and it is completely clear. There's no yellowing at all. I decided to take off all of the hardware because I didn't like the way that it was placed, and I knew that I was going to replace the knobs, but I didn't want them on either side. I just wanted to do a single knob in the center. So all I did is measure with a tape measure to mark off where the knobs were gonna go. I spackled the old holes and just made my own holes for the knobs. I got these beautiful wicker knobs, and then I decided to put a little bit of paint on them just so that I could get a whole different look. You can really paint them any color that you want. You can paint them more of a solid color, but I kind of just did a light brushing on them. I ended up buying a picture hanging kit that made things so much easier for all of the photos I had to hang. These are my dad's photos that he took before he passed away, so they are so special to me. And I wanted to make sure that they were hung really safely on the wall because I've already dropped one before. So I actually attached part of the picture hanging kit onto the wood. So there's no way that they're gonna slip off, and then you attach the other side into the wall. I also purchased these from Amazon, and I will link the whole kit that I bought down below. This room, you can see through the kitchen, and the bar stools are right here. So we weren't really sure what we were going to do with this room, but it ended up being just a really chill TV room. And we ended up putting a 70-inch TV here that you can see all the way back from the kitchen. People can sit at the bar and watch the TV. And when you're in the kitchen, you can also see the TV, and everybody can be like talking to each other and feel like you're in the same room. So we ended up going to Habitat for Humanity, which I don't know about Connecticut, but in Florida, they have the most amazing finds. We got this metal bamboo table from Habitat of Humanity, and it's in great condition, and it was so cheap. I'll pop up the prices that I paid for them, and it has a glass top on there. And the other great find from Habitat was this amazing, I don't even know what you would call it. You could use it as whatever you want, a dresser, a TV stand, but it was this really dark wood, and it was so old-fashioned that it had a lock on the bottom, and you could tell by the hinges and the knobs. So initially I wanted to paint it orange, but it ended up not working at all. So I painted over it with this farmhouse white chalk paint and added on these really cool wicker knobs. Got these from Amazon. Everything I show you guys, if I have a link for it, I will link it below. Everything will be in my Amazon store or wherever else I got it from. So I just put like a little bit of matching paint on there to blend it in. This is a great place to store anything that you don't have a place for. Like I've got a bunch of books in there. I didn't paint the inside either. This is the wood that it was before. It was just really dark and dingy, and now it's just so nice and bright, and it works perfectly in this room. These bar stools we saw at Ashley's Furniture, but we ended up getting them at a different store, and we totally put them together ourselves, but it's almost like they were totally made for this house. So we got 4 of the bar stools that overlook the TV room. It's nice because they spin, so if people are sitting there eating or just chilling out, it gives us 4 more seats where people can be facing towards the TV room or around the other way towards the kitchen. These lamps I got from Amazon years ago. These are, I think they're called like Hollywood lights, spotlights, and you can just like aim them wherever, but they're great for reading or using as a spotlight, like on pictures. And then I did end up purchasing this couch new, and I honestly can't remember where I got it right now because we've been doing so much shopping, my head is spinning. So the couch is new, and it came with the pillows, and I will pop up where I purchased it here. And then I have a faux fur blanket from Amazon with my dad's photographs up here. My dad was so incredibly talented, so I love seeing his art in our home. And then we have, this is actually the only fake plant in our whole house. Everything else is real. And I purchased those plant holders, and it's actually lined on the inside with like a bag type of thing. And then a plant stand under that. Those two things, I think it was Home Depot that we got those. And this plant I purchased from Amazon. Then I have the curtains on a black rod with the clips. It just helps them to slide so much easier. And then we mounted the 70-inch TV up here above that TV stand. That's the box, the cable box. We actually don't have cable. I am using Roku, and I purchased the Sling app. So if you guys are trying to save money on cable, that is for sure the way to go. A Roku box, get the Sling app, and you can customize it, and it's so much cheaper. And then I just pay for internet. So this is another live plant we got going on here. A very chill Zen salt lamp that takes a nightlight bulb in there. I just leave that going 24/7. Then another plant over here, and this north, south, east, west I got from Amazon, and I actually painted it black. I just used spray paint, and then I took sandpaper and just scuffed it up here because it was like a bronzy color, but I wanted the black to really pop. Then I had to buy these rocking chairs. They are so comfortable, and I just love the whole vibe of them. We purchased these at a different store. Again, I can't remember. I will link that. I would say the style of our house is modern coastal. I like to take more modern pops of black and add it in with coastal type of beachy items. Like this ceiling fan right here, I purchased on Amazon, and it looked completely different, and I decided to paint it. So I painted the whole entire top white, like that whole pole and around there, and those little brackets black. And then I painted the actual fan blades white because I could not find a black and white fan, so I made it work. Then here I just have some placemats. These are like the, what would you call these? Tweed? My boyfriend's sister got us this adorable coaster set, and it's like in a rack like that. And then I just have a basket, the controllers, and that is it for our TV room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it gave you some ideas to repurpose, reuse, add in some new things. I just really love the calm, neutral vibe with the pops of blue. And I think I might show you guys the kitchen next, or maybe the other TV room, which is kind of like a Zen family room. So definitely check back every Wednesday so you can follow along and see all of the new rooms that I'm posting for you guys. Then at the very end, I will do a whole entire house tour so you can kind of put it all together where everything is. This is the guest room area, like the guest wing that I've already posted for you guys. And then I did a separate video on the guest bathroom. So this is the third video that I've done on our new house. I hope you guys are enjoying these. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite part of the house has been so far. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of all of the videos that I upload. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.